Hi, I'm David and welcome back to Baking Unafraid. Today I'm really excited because we're combining two of my favorite desserts, chocolate chip cookies and cheesecake. Yes, these things are addicting, let me tell you. So my Baking Unafraid tip for this week is room temperature ingredients. No one ever has room temperature ingredients, and you don't want to wait all day just for that item to get to room temperature. Here are a few of my tips. If you need room temperature eggs, place your eggs in a bowl with warm water. This is like a warm water bath and it gets your eggs to room temperature in about 5 to 10 minutes. If you need room temperature butter or cream cheese, place your cream cheese or butter on a plate and microwave on high for 5 seconds on each side. It takes about 20 to 25 seconds in total before the cream cheese or butter is room temperature. Time to make those sinful mini cheesecakes with that chocolate chip cookie crust. Don't forget to bake unafraid and be you.